Hey everyone, welcome back to Page to Plate. Today we will be highlighting Andy Baraghani's Chickpea Cacio Pepe from his James Beard award-winning cookbook, The Cook You Want to Be. This is the first cookbook on our channel to have a second recipe featured from the same book. This pasta is a go-to recipe in our home and we know it will become a favorite for you too. Andy's book is one of our favorites because he offers a fresh perspective on transforming simple ingredients into delicious meals, and this is what keeps us coming back for more. If you're interested in seeing the other recipe we made from this book, click the link in the description below for his coconut cauliflower. To start, chop the shallot and set aside for later. Thinly slice the lemons on a mandolin and set aside. Finally, chop the butter into small pieces to use in the sauce. Bring a pot of water to a boil and add about 1/4 cup of salt. Once the water is boiling, add the pasta to the boiling water and cook for 2 minutes less than what the package suggests. In a separate large pot, add 1/4 cup of olive oil. Add the sliced lemon and cook. Flip the slices until they begin to brown slightly. This will take about 6 to 8 minutes. Set aside the lemon slices for later. Place the rinsed and drained chickpeas into the pot and cook until crisp and golden, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the diced shallot and rosemary to the pot. Crush the rosemary slightly to release its oils. Season with salt and pepper and stir. Cook until the shallot softens, about 3 to 5 minutes. Before draining the pasta, remove 2 cups of pasta water. Add 1.5 cups of pasta water to the pot with the chickpeas and simmer over medium heat. Place the cubed butter in the pan and allow to gradually melt into the sauce. Remove the rosemary sprig and transfer the cooked pasta to the sauce. Grate in fresh Parmesan a little bit at a time. Keep stirring until the sauce is creamy, about 3 minutes. Turn off the heat and add in the lemon. Season with pepper and Parmesan before serving. Enjoy your chickpea pasta. Let us know how your pasta turned out in the comments below. The list of the ingredients and links to Andy's Instagram and cookbook are in the description below. Happy cooking, chefs!